The morning report for the 11th of July 2011. Well, the bad news over the weekend was the US market dropped around 0.5%. This is in the back of their unemployment figures. Now, what they found was employment wasn't increasing, it was actually staying steady. Personally, I think this is not unexpected. Although the US economy is starting to wake up and grow, I think efficiencies need to be brought back into the marketplace if companies are going to be profitable, and I think that's what companies are looking at. Hence the US disappointment on the employment figures there did leave the market down 0.5%. Dow Jones sitting around 12,657. Now, on a good note, Australia finished up strongly on Friday, up 1% to close at 4,716 for the All Ords. Now, ASX up 4,655, up 1% as well. Now, I'm a bit surprised by this. I thought going into the end of the week, with the carbon tax being announced on Sunday, we would have seen our market relatively flat, but people were quite bullish. Now, we look at the SPI index, so this is the leading index which indicates where our market will open today. We're going to lose all that on the open. Clearly, the market is concerned about the carbon tax, and this is certainly going to force some stocks down. I'll be keeping a close eye on the manufacturing, industrials, and certainly the mining stocks to see how they play out during the day and how they think the carbon tax is going to affect them. I'll also be looking more deeply at the carbon tax today and putting out a note, so keep an eye out for that one. It'll be on our website, and we'll be emailing it out to our email list as well, so people can have a look at how the carbon tax is going to affect them, but more importantly, how the carbon tax is going to affect the market. How the market's affected will affect all of us, because it'll affect our wealth, and it will certainly affect our growth going forward. So we'll keep a close eye out for that one today. If you have any questions or queries, please give us a call or go to our website at greywealth.com.au.